What happens to your gut if you eat avocado every day? Avocado, bacteria, gut, diseases. At first glance, the connection is subtle. But in fact, it's a very important health formula. Scientists were able to measure the effect of eating avocados every day on the intestines, and the results might make you change your diet. Our gut is a world of bacteria. The intestines have the largest number of bacteria in our body. Moreover, there can be as many as 1,000 different types. But don't be alarmed, most of them are good for us and prevent the development of microbes and infections. Normally, people have 4 times more beneficial bacteria than the harmful kind. And scientists have found a way to make this number even bigger. A secret ingredient. Avocados turned out to be a game changer. New research has found that eating this fruit every day has a positive effect on the gastrointestinal tract. It not only grows the number of beneficial bacteria and improves gut flora, but it also reduces bile acids and increases fatty acids and acetate. What it means for our health. The results showed that daily avocado use increases the diversity of gut flora. And this, in turn, increases immunity and helps you to avoid many serious diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. It also helps you to avoid intestinal imbalances and irritations. How much avocado is necessary? You don't need to eat a whole avocado every day. Women can try 140 grams, men can eat a bit more minus 175 grams. Add it to one meal a day. You should remember that avocados alone won't do wonders for the intestines. It's necessary to ensure that your diet is balanced and to not forget to stay active.